Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you are so highly welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would get rid of those darkness around your hands. Okay, that's actually caused by some deodorant or some cream, or your body is actually reacting to some certain things that you're actually using on your skin, making that place really dark. Now this natural remedy is going to get rid of it, but you have to be consistent and you have to give it a little time, let it work and remove all of the darkness around there, and you are going to be loving your results because it's natural. It's not going to give you any bonds. It's not going to, make you very, it's not going to irritate your skin. All right, so if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to leave your comments below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please share this video, turn on that bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. All right guys, let's dive into the video. To remove dark under hands without any stress, guys, you're going to be needing fresh aloe vera leaf. Now you have to use the fresh one so you got all of the full benefits of the aloe vera, okay? Because aloe vera is loaded with numerous nutrients and remedies that helps to polish up and lighten up the skin. It contains an ingredient that helps to remove darkness around your armpits, and it removes dark patches, it gets rid of blemishes, and it's this thing. So for the aloe vera, guys, we're just gonna prepare the aloe vera. I have just a small piece of aloe vera here, so we're gonna be using like much of it. So I'm going to be extracting the gel of this aloe vera. So I'm going to be blending it. Now I would have to transfer it into the blender. Alright, so here's the blended aloe vera. Now the thing is that when you blend aloe vera, the sliminess is going to, be cut off, okay? So in case you're drinking aloe vera, it's more better for you to blend it so that the sliminess will just cut off, just like here. Not too slimy, just the way it would have been if I just used my hand to, do that. I'm gonna be making use of potato. Now potato is loaded with a lightening remedy, a lightening ingredient that helps to lighten up the dark patches on the skin. It lightens up dark spots, it leaves the skin youthful, and it also helps to leave the skin radiant. Be kneading the potato, and I'm gonna be peeling it off. Alright, so we need much of the potato because we're going to be needing just the starch, okay? That's why you have to get the potato a little bit much so you can strain out the starch, okay? Now to extract the starch from this potato, you have to strain it, okay? That's the first step. Putting in, let me even just pour it in. Okay, so we're just gonna strain that out. Alright guys, so to take out, to get the starch from this potato, you have to first of all sieve out the potato juice. And here comes the starch, and that's basically what we are gonna be needing, just the potato starch. Okay, and then we're going to make use of tomato. Now tomato is a natural home remedy that works in lightening up the skin. It removes all unwanted hair. It works in slowing down the growth of a new hair, and it's also a remedy that helps to glow the skin. It helps to tighten up the pores, and it also helps to leave the skin youthful and lighter too. And I'm going to be cutting just a little quantity of tomato, okay, because for the tomato we don't need too much of it since we have the potato starch. So we're going to be putting just 2 tablespoons. This is 1 teaspoon, so I'm going to be putting 4 of this. Alright. And then we're going to be needing some moringa powder. Now you can actually use the moringa leaf, okay, and then you blend it into a powder form. That's basically what I did here, okay. So moringa is a natural home remedy that is beneficial for the skin, for the hair, and also for the body. When it comes to the body, it helps to remove belly fat, and it helps to detoxify the body. And the hair, it helps to grow up the hair, and it also prevents split ends, and also it helps to leave the skin smooth, remove all age related problems such as fine lines and wrinkles. And to make it even better, we're going to be putting in 1. And now time to stir this all up. When you make this, guys, you'll notice that the potato starch is just going to go sit under the bowl. When you stir it, that's when it's just going to come up. Basically, we need that starch to get rid of all of the darkness around your underhand. And for this, guys, you can actually use it once in a week or once in 2 weeks, basically, because it's not like every day you have to use it. Okay. Hey, what's up? Okay, so here's the treatment, and it looks really friendly. It smells like moringa if you've actually taken moringa before. And to brush out the dead skin on my armpits, I basically sometimes they'll use a toothbrush design, well, not design, I bought this specifically for my face and for my underarms and any other place that I need to use. It is actually very soft. You should use something very soft, very soft. Okay, so this is how my hand is right now. sometimes I tend to get darkness around my hands, not really super dark, but it's not like compared to here. Okay, so that's why I need to use this treatment to get rid of it. So what I'll do is that I'll dip my hand into the treatment and then I would have to apply everywhere first before I start the job of scrubbing, because I need to scrub it all off. Alright, so after which I've applied the treatment on my hand this way, I would have to leave it on for a couple of minutes. Okay, so after that, then I'll have to dip in my toothbrush into the treatment and then use it to gently scrub out the dead skin, basically around here and around here and somehow around here too. So scrub it out gently. And trust me guys, I know these things are actually natural, which has to go with consistency, but you know, it works really well. But also you have to be consistent, because when you just leave it, you're going to notice that your hand is going to get darker. Okay, so after scrubbing, I would have to give it a little massage to know how it is. Okay, so I don't bruise my skin too much with that. So that's it guys. Now this is my armpits. You can see how fresh and lightened it is, and this is actually the one that I didn't scrub. So you see, I actually didn't scrub this on purpose, so you can see. The thing is that it has actually not remove all of the darkness, but I will have to continue using it. Before you know it, the darkness will be gone. Okay, so that's it. So go try it out and let me know how it is, because it's going to be wonderful. Please don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please thumbs up and leave your comments below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay beautiful. Ciao ciao.